Hi all, welcome back to the video lecture on computer network. So in this video lecture, mainly I am going to discuss the IGMP protocol, Internet Group Management Protocol. We will discuss what do you mean by IGMP, what is the necessity of the IGMP protocol. So before starting the IGMP protocol, just we have a revision on the term multicasting. So we have already discussed the term multicasting. Multicasting means we can send a packet to large number of receivers simultaneously. From a router we can send the packet to multiple destinations simultaneously. The IP also which supports the multicasting, we have discussed in the last module the classes of IP address, the class D which is reserved for multicasting. So in that, what do you mean by an IGMP protocol? The IGMP protocol is not a necessary one, but it's a protocol which involved in the case of multicasting. The multicasting is a sense the routers which are able to route the packet to the various destination. In that we have to give the updation in the case of routing table. For that we are using some multicasting routing algorithm and all. Basically IGMP protocol which is not a multicast routing algorithm, which provide the protocol which manage the group membership. Group membership in the scenario, the routers which all are the things involved in the multicast operation. That means in a network which all are the multicast routers, and their information will be maintained by the IGMP protocol. So it give a status of the routers, multicast routers connected in a network. So it you can easily identify which all are the routers which are going to route multiple destination. So such information will be maintained by the group, information will be maintained by the IGMP protocol. So now we can discuss the message format for IGMP protocol. The message format is for 32-bit message format. Now the first field is the type. It's an 8-bit which defines the type of the message. For the value in the field, it will be denoted as a hexadecimal or a binary notation. For the second field, it will be maximum response time. Maximum response time means based upon the query, the amount of time interval which required to provide the response. It's an 8-bit, and the value it will be represented as a 1/10 of the requests. That will be the value in this field. And the next field it will be checksum. It's a 16-bit field. There we are going to calculate the checksum for the 8-byte message. And the last one will be the group address. The group address it will be represent the value in the field will be 0 for all general query. There will be two type of packet will be there. General query and a report query will be there. In the case of IGMP messages that we have discussed. In the case of general query, the value in the field will be all the 0. And in the case of a special query, it's going to denote the group ID. The membership ID will be denoted by the group address, and it also provides the information regarding the leave report and the membership information on a special query. These all are the message format in the case of IGMP protocol. So let's have a look on IGMP operation. In the case of IGMP operation, there will be a multicast router will be there that will be connected to a network that contain the list of multicast address of the group with at least one loyal member on the network. For the multicast router which contain all the destination address. For each group, there is one router that has the duty to distributing the multicast packet to the destination for that group. So the network will be forming a group by group manner. So in that there will be one multicast router will be there. That router will be the responsible person to deliver the packet to the default destination. So we will discuss with an example. So in that scenario, the router can be joining the network or can leave the network also. They can if you want to receive the multicast packet via the multicast router, the router can be joined in the network, or if they are interested to continue in the group, or unless they can leave the group also. For more in detail how the operation will be carried out. For here the three router will be there, R1 and R2. These are the three multicast router and the three host computer A, B and up to Z. So we already mentioned if a multicast router which contain the list of grouping loyal members. So here it will be indicating the list of group having the loyal member, the IP address they have mentioned. So the router R is going to use the IP 225.70.8.20 will be the in order to multicast the packet over the network. So similarly the router and R1 and R2. So the router R here it will be act of a distributing router. So via the R1 will be R1 and R2 will come under R. From the R they will be receiving the packet and deliver to the corresponding destination. Suppose already mentioned there will be two operations will be there, joining and leaving. Suppose if host A want to send a packet to the different destination, it can join the network. So it will pass the information to the nearest neighboring node. So the nearest neighboring node that will check whether the host A is connected or not. If the host A is connected, it can send the packet via the multicast router R1. If host A is not connected, it will provide a joining report. Need to provide a join the group. If host A does not want to continue over the network for once the transmission is over, he can leave the group also. That will be no issues. So similarly the IGMP operation will be carried out.